Step 1. Unpack the instrument and lay all components on a flat surface. Verify against packing list. 2 times RD6 articulated links. 2 times RD5 lower frame vertical beams. 2 times RD2 lower frame uprights. 2 times RD3 upper frame vertical beams. 5 times RD1 upper frame adjustable crossbars. 1 times RD4 lower frame connecting beam. 12 times plastic squares. 10 times plastic rectangles. 10 times M6 hex bolts. 2 times M8 hex bolts with flat washers. 4 times M8 hex bolts. 12 times M8 hex bolts with spring and flat washers. 2 times M8 hex bolts with flat washers. 2 times M8 stainless steel nuts. 10 times M6 square aluminum nuts. 16 times M8 square aluminum nuts. 2 times hex keys. 1 times ceramic handwheel spanner. 140 times ceramic insulating columns. 8 times expansion bolts. 4 times omega clips. 2 times hinged joints. 6 times aluminum angle brackets. 12 times black plastic edge strips. Step 1. Base frame assembly. Prepare the accessories. 12 times M8 square aluminum nuts. 6 times aluminum angle brackets. 12 times hex bolts with spring and flat washers. 2 times RD5 lower frame vertical beams. 2 times RD2 lower frame uprights. 1 times RD4 lower frame connecting beam. Insert 2 M8 square nuts into each lower frame vertical beams. Position at center. Insert 1 M8 square nut at both ends of connecting beam. Place lower frame uprights at beam junctions. Note, lower frame uprights with holes upward and facing sideways. Insert 1 square aluminum nut into each of the front, rear, and inner channels of the lower frame upright. Position angle brackets at joints. Take 2 hex bolts with washers. Secure joints with hex key. Repeat to secure all lower frame uprights connections. Step 2. Install articulated links. Prepare the accessories. 2 times articulated links. 2 times hinged joints. 4 times M8 hex bolts with spring and flat washers. Take the articulated links and install the hinge joint on its non-hold end. Note, orient joint axis perpendicular to link holes. Secure joints to articulated links using hex bolts. Prepare 2 times M8 square aluminum nuts. Hang nuts on joints via bolts. Note, leave nuts loose temporarily. Slide assembled articulated links onto lower frame uprights. Note, position with holes upward and facing sideways. Fully tighten all bolts. Note, articulated links and lower frame uprights must align horizontally. Step 3. Install upper frame vertical beams. Prepare the accessories. 2 times upper frame beams. 2 times M8 hex bolts. 2 times M8 hex bolts. 2 times M8 stainless nuts. 2 times M8 square nuts. Insert 90 mm bolts through lower frame uprights. Position upper frame vertical beams inside lower frame uprights. Fasten with stainless nuts. Load square nuts into upper frame vertical beams channels. Take 50 mm bolts. Connect articulated links to links upper frame vertical beams nuts. Repeat for opposite side. Step 4. Mount sample racks. Prepare the accessories: 10 x M6 hex bolts, 10 x M6 square nuts, 5 x upper frame adjustable crossbars. Insert 5 square nuts into each upper frame vertical beams channel. Lay upper frame adjustable crossbars on upper frame vertical beams. Loosen ceramic insulators. Seat insulators in upper frame adjustable crossbar slots. Ceramic insulators may be installed as needed, recommended, 17 per rail slot. Secure crossbars with 30 mm bolts. Note: keep bolts slightly loose. For center crossbars, install ceramic insulators in both rail slots. After inserting insulators, adjust spacing to approximately 10 cm intervals. Step 5. Load samples. Space crossbars per sample dimensions. Clamp samples under ceramic nuts. Final tighten with wrench. Step 6. Angle adjustment. To adjust the sample holder angle, first loosen the connecting bolts between the articulated rods and upper frame beams. Manually adjust angle. Retighten all bolts. Step 7. Install plastic caps. Install plastic squares on articulated links and lower frame uprights. Install plastic rectangles on adjustable crossbars. Install black plastic edge strips on lower frame connecting beam. Assembly complete.